Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Blink Charging Company. And as you can see, after a base building of probably 2 years, so from 2018 till 2020, it's been in a process of base building after obviously a very big fall. Now from that level the stock is moving up quite smartly on the upside, and as you can see from the lower end of the range, okay, from the lower level the stock has moved up by 1,000%. So it's indeed a very sharp rise in a very small amount of time. Now the way the chart has behaving right now, it seems like there are further highs or much higher level are yet to come in this stock, but obviously one need to be aware about the trend and the important support and resistance level, which will save a person from making losses and also save their profits as well, which they have gained. Now having said that, you have your first support at 8.7 followed by 4.2, and if it falls below 4.2 then you will have your last support, which will come in between 1.6 and 1.32. Obviously if the stock falls below 1.32, one need not carry any further positions. That's the simple thing one need to understand. But we are looking on the upper end of the range or probably the upside, and the way the chart is moving, so I will tell you the probable upside for the time being, and I will not go like hopping around and say it will go to 5 digits or something. This is not the way one should look at it. We will go step by step. Now the way the stock has moved, and if it is trading and sustaining above 8.7, 8.8, then the next probable target which we are looking here are in between 34 and $46, which is quite high. Okay, so these are the first two set of target or resistance which one need to look at, followed by, and if it sustain above 46 or $47, then one could probably see the level which will be as high as or in between 98 to $105 on the upside. So we are talking about monthly chart, we are talking about big trend. If the level sustains, we are looking at a big target or level of set of targets which are yet to come. But as a disciplined practitioner, or whether you can consider yourself as a short-term trader, long-term trader, investor, whatever criteria it may suits you, but support and level resistance level is a very important concept. Everybody should know about it and everybody should know their risk. So this is something which is very common in the world of financial market. Okay, so if 8.77, 8.8 holds, we are looking at 38 and 46, which are your first set of target or resistance. If the stock holds further, then we will go to as high as 198 and 105. So even these levels are very big in terms of profit or in terms of return. So just wait and watch how far or how quickly it will move on the upside or towards the upside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.